In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable boot logging on your ASUS tablet, laptop, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard while selecting restart. And give this a moment. You can release pressure on the restart button once it says please wait on the screen. You don't have to keep holding it down. And now on this page, underneath choose an option, select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select restart. And then at this point, you can tap the F2 or function 2 key to enable boot logging, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.